This is an introduction video of the build of the Airbus A320. I'm really excited about this build because it's my first that's at this scale. So the specs of the aircraft is that it's gonna be a 1.57 meter wingspan aircraft, which is quite big, and it's gonna weigh something just below 1.3 kgs, and it's quite a hefty project. I have 4 months to do it, and I have to be able to finish everything in 4 months. So I hope you guys come along. So I'd like to first of all start by thanking my sponsor for this video, which is Marshall Scholarship Program.
Leadership is the art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal.
I really appreciate them for giving me this opportunity to build this aircraft for them and to showcase my skills out there. So this is the aircraft we will be building. So it's an Airbus A320 as mentioned. It's gonna have 2 engines, powered by 2 EDF engines. Probably I'm gonna choose between 64 millimeters and 70 millimeters, but I'm gonna go with 64 millimeters because I think the best size for the scale. So these are the cutouts of the balsa wood that I'll cut out for the airframe. And the measurements here are in millimeters. What you see here, these are spars that I ordered off Amazon. These are going to be used to strengthen or to emphasize the rigidity of our wing, for example, and the rigidity of everything else that's in the aircraft. The spars, that will make sure that the airframe is strong enough. So these are 3 by 3 millimeter spars, and on top of that I also have some balsa wood sheets here. So these I bought from a hobby shop called CMC. Shout out to them, they delivered in as little as 2 days. And so for most of the aircraft we'll be using 2 millimeter balsa wood, which is quite thin and quite light. And the 3 millimeter balsa wood, I have a few sheets of them. They'll be used for the more stronger parts that have to be stronger on the aircraft. So these are some of the materials that I'm also gonna be using. I got these from a shop called Take a Lot, an online shop called Take a Lot, and my favorite one is this one here because it cuts so well, and these are very sharp and they make my work very easy when it comes to cutting out the profiles from the balsa wood. We also have super glue, of course, which I also bought from Take a Lot, and some glue that I will be using also to paste the profiles onto the balsa wood.